I wanted to make a Victorian lobster tail, near a kind of underwear supportive garment that looks like a lobster tail. Here's a photo. I made it because I wanted to make a Victorian morning dress. There's the pieces. I made a adjusted pattern for my doll using this American Duchess article, which was really fun. I also used the coloring stuff that I was talking about in my last video, which is twisted embroidery thread. So there I sewed the side seam. That's kind of what it looks like. Now I'm going to stuff it. That's what it looks like with one layer. I found the coloring didn't actually help that much, so I had to actually put in a boning on it at one point. Now I'm just showing a second layer of that coloring, and then that process goes on until I fill it up with coloring. So I have also made a coffee, K-O-F-I, where I'm posting my embroidery patterns. So if you're interested, you should go check that out. Here I'm sewing the third layer. I'm also planning on posting my doll patterns there for free. So if you like what I do and you want one, go check out my Ko-fi. So as you can see, I have like 4 layers of coloring, which is again twisted embroidery thread. Now I didn't end up using this for the Victorian morning dress, mainly because I didn't finish it yet. It also didn't give me that kind of fullness I wanted and the supportiveness I needed for it, so I had to end up making a full-on, bigger actually boned petticoat. Colored one I really liked and was like a lot of fun, but I think it's gonna be used for less, supportive dresses. I also made a Victorian just walking dress. I don't know if I can find the pattern that I used, but it was like really simple, even changing it to doll size. That's probably the cow dress that's in the thumbnail, because again, I like that dress. It's made out of a cow print and was supposed to be a mock-up. Roughly halfway through putting in all the coloring for this dress, which again, twisted embroidery thread, works really well if you just want it to be kind of supportive but not a lot. But I also didn't really intend on actually making it as the finished project. So the elastic waistband isn't the best and is kind of falling off. So I need to take it off and sew it back on. But in my defense, I was sick when I made this, and I was sick when I made my last colored petticoat. I made them like a day within each other because I was watching the Minecraft series Evolution, which makes a great sewing background noise because you just get to watch 2 people goof off. This is also just normal speed footage too. None of it's sped up or anything. There you can kind of see what it looks like through the coloring. Now, assuming you're still here, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. My next project I'm working on is actually is either going to be a computer SMP doll or a sticky live doll. All my Victorian morning dress. One of the 3, but it's probably going to be the computer SMP doll. Which if you follow me on Twitter, you probably know what it looks like. So there was some of the colored thread I was using. And I was just shoving it into the top to make it fit. But the side pieces that I was cut out using just scrap fabric, you can tell that the cow fabric was literally just scrap material. I use it for mock-ups. It was going to be donated to Goodwill, but I grabbed it so that way I could use it for just projects like this. This one doesn't actually get any coloring or anything. It just gets sewn as is and then attached, which is just sewing. Now going back to Minecraft series, I can't believe Rat's SMP is ending in January. It seems like it's just such a good SMP and just sad, because it can't go on forever, but still I don't want it to end. Now here's the side seams that I am attaching from the triangle bit. Now here's what it looks like done! Yay! Finished project! This is it without any thread cutting. Now here's what it looks like on the doll. As you can see, elastic waistband still falling apart. And here's what it looks like with the dress. Goodbye!